This year Hostinger is giving away lots of freebies for new customers. Aside from a free domain name, you get lots more, including up to 90% off additional domain name registrations for the entire month. Shared hosting services are available at damn low prices starting at 89 cents per month. These discounts will last until the 29th of November, so grab a Hostinger account with a free domain name, SSL certificate, website builder, and one-click WordPress installation. Make sure to visit from the link given in the description below this video to get a discount. Let's talk about why Black Friday sale is the best time to buy hostings. If you are planning to buy a new web hosting or migrating to a new one, trust me, there is no better time than Black Friday sale. There is already a 70% off for Bluehost. You can watch the video about Bluehost Black Friday Sale 2020, link is in the description. Hosting a Black Friday sale is a perfect choice for you with unbelievable 90% discounts on their plans. Now let's talk about the Hostinger plan's discounts. The single shared hosting plan is available for just 80 cents per month if you pay for 48 months in advance. So with just $38.40, you get 4 years of hosting, if you get it from the link in the description below this video. Similarly, their business hosting plan can be availed starting just $3.45 per month. As for cloud hosting, you can get the basic plan, the startup plan at $7.45 per month. Now let's talk about Hostinger. Hostinger is a relatively unknown brand. It started operations way back in 2004 as Hosting Media. However, only in 2011 did they launch the Hostinger brand. As per the official website, Hostinger had over 29 million users as of January 2017. They also claim to add a whopping 15,000 signups each day. Hostinger has been largely popular because of their price tag, which is very cheap as compared to other hosting companies. Time and again, the company runs special offers like the Hostinger Black Friday deal, which makes their pricing even more attractive. The shared hosting plans are the cheapest plans you can get at Hostinger. As the name suggests, with the shared hosting plan, you will be sharing the server as well as its resources with several other websites. Now let's talk about which Hostinger plan should you choose. If you are just starting your website or manage a website that gets a low amount of traffic, shared hosting should be ideal for you. However, if you are planning to host an e-commerce website, even if it's low traffic or a new website, shared hosting is not the best option as it is less secure. Single shared hosting is the ideal solution for beginners with one website, 10 GB SSD storage, and 100 GB bandwidth. Premium shared hosting is the perfect package for personal websites. In this plan, you can host up to 100 websites with 20 GB SSD storage, and unlimited bandwidth. Business shared hosting is the most popular plan that is optimized for small and medium businesses with 100 GB SSD storage. In this plan, apart from premium shared hosting features, you will get daily backups and 4x resources additionally. Now let's talk about the other deals of Hostinger. So domains is only for 89 cents, website builder is 85% off, shared web hosting is also for 89 cents, cloud hosting is 67% off, email hosting for 99 cents, WordPress hosting is also for 89 cents, VPS hosting is 70% off, Minecraft hosting is 77% off, and Windows VPS save 28%. Now let's talk about how to get this Black Friday deals of Hostinger. Just simply visit the special link of Hostinger from the description below this video. Then scroll down and select a suitable plan for you. For example, if you select single shared hosting plan, then you can see the discounts there. I recommend you to select the 48 months plan to get 91% discount, means only 89 cents per month. Which is a very huge discount. All deals are for a limited time and not going to last for a long, so start creating an online presence with Hostinger without giving any excuses. Make sure to visit from the link in the description below this video to get a discount. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated with the latest offers and discounts videos like this. Thanks for watching.